Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chamitambo. Itiba zwenda dera, tingo data zwa mishasho.
Still the Vendor Radio Okay. Reason also again as kanda no stop ring some music. So there was money there, a lot of it. There was money like in Kombangoni, Chiri, Hana Chere Editi. I'm telling you guys, there was money. But problem anti. Nico Spana artist, you go drop a track through website. Then I just drop a atua again. I drop her for free. Ini you selling his music on the side, and then uko dropisa limro futi mahara. Hezo sizwa chisiya zuko humisela nemurawo ngori ndiwanisa kubona uri ndikuita mini because bamwe bathu bachipedza bachiko tingadwa mbori zikutoya in details, but you know when you're getting reported for something zinavori aningozita ukupfino vamwe vakunireport uri ningobvisa nyimbo dzavo nisongorangana mini, but when you look at it like dude, you gave me your music or no release. You did this and this and this, and then going back to the contract, you have to state already. Yeah, you're allowing us to distribute your music online. So that's how I stopped, because hana vaimbi vobara vachiva vako this music or dava release ngangeno ngamahara na wano reasons no zona zichatangana nichiza mwamba yako nibudza zori, but it's my music and atidhiburi obviswa nganyi, but definitely the guy wadi was music obviswa nganyi. Ravana issue imwe yavori yova yauri mutu niko mubadela chede yawe avachi unibudza uri niko on top, but information yote hone ukozdiozori if akototo daibona we can give you the information, you will see it, the proof is there, this is your downloads. And then when watu vachiveya music na wana vafuti basa ku market, they expect you in your market. If I have to market your music to an extent, so yambozori you need to pay me money. So there were issues, that were a lot of issues, I guess on my side also, you admit, of course it was my first time doing that project. I made a couple of mistakes na ndingatenda. I think contract and where ikotiori ihane uri mutu anga release music wawe ngoraro, but now in this day and age, something that is okay, man. You can release your music free and then you can sell it. It's still all good. That's why even the new system and I have decided, nah, man, let me just let them release their music for free. There's no need for me urinditolotwa ndiko ring some music and a streaming service, because I can pay an artist like 3 cents per stream. Like the moment you listen to the song, artist you want 3 cents. You listen to the song, artist you want 3 cents. So which means with over 5,000 streaming, it's about 500 to 1,000. I think I don't really, I had a good comment. But yeah, so something like that. But the issue in this topic was the issue back in the days before this streaming, like your Tidal, your what were more dominant. Narachiko Zita long before. But the issue but issue but why do we have to distribute with you? At one of the issues baby so I felt like, you know what, there's no need to continue this thing. Let me let this thing go. Maybe if it comes back and I do it again in a different way, I've learned my lesson. I've seen different sides of distributing music. But right now I do have another options. Like I got about 2 options, whether I do it on my website or else in the Azita distributing directly na the iTunes in a mini, in a way that I don't have to charge anyone anything. The only time I make money is when your music sells. So which means you get 70%. Let's say kawan randang one and we need just 70 cents, and then just 30 cents. That's how yeah, that's the other system that I have like in place if I have to distribute music for people online, because now I'm gonna be paying for hosting your music there. Uri baba ujie udzule uhone ka yeah, the iTunes, the Amazon, mini mini. But right now, I'm still deciding. I'm not to make up my mind or whether to go to system yanga, which is a streaming system in Endabanayo. But we'll see when time goes on. But the reason I stopped was because about actually visa nyimbo again mutone to drop a track mahara and I want what's the use, because the song is not gonna sell. Because if I go visa nyimbo for free ini oni paro ni business marketing ini kupadela the hosting ini kodilana na the service provider ngapana ndi network that they need money. Yeah, it was the kind of crazy shit that was going around. But yeah, man, at the end of the day, decisions were made and I had to let go of that system. Yeah, man, yeah. So ningazo was going to Ivara. I hope Pindulo Watuniwana right now or Wando Vara that thing. It was because by Imbiba Shuba Wachidifsa Tereke ya releasiwa adoe visa mahara wangwani wachi visa na wanawachi utawa na zimena jizawoka na mini na wanachipo reporti wanenge kazi kapaso na mini avongari in the end of visa music wabo without authorization. Wouldn't you want to vote this out? So I got tired of all these dramas. I was like, shit, nigga, work. Like, nigga, shit. They ain't working. So like, fuck, I'm out. Come on. But yeah, decision might be made and I might come back and do it again. I'm still focused on other things. I'm trying to come up with other ideas. So let's hope those ideas gonna work. But in Songobirera, you can still upload your music on our website www.vanrepradiostation.co.za. If you go visa mahara, kana www.renderfiles.co.za. Now on go visa mahara. So those are the websites that I'm currently running. Yeah, and then if ni lonely ni singili ni Songobirera ni go da mutu ni ajena ni fala www.arijole.co.za. Na dona na mutu kongwana msi. And then na dona chibebi chano na right. Ona nazi ne ngazina diduka ndisuhana ni mwana ndo mahongoni. I think I'm picking up something that is not right, so I need to fix it quickly. Ndikoibona ngonangara na mafungo nyana afa ane akoitea ane akotheory riaka izengo tabanya. But I'm not going to talk about it on this video. I'm just picking up some comments kazungweza zintu whatever kazi social media, so I think I'll look at it later on. But zenda kungoramba zona ndizo zomajita magomba hashu wanana bakiguru na bakara. Yeah, man, let's keep on pushing, let's keep on doing what we gotta do. Rwanda music wa yanu kwaru. But yeah, man, maybe I'll come back, but I'm not sure. Nigga, shit, I'm out of here. Nifuna zone nda